only a few kilometers away from that maze, we are at Lake Eildon, or Eildon, and yeah, it is very quiet, very beautiful lake. It is actually man-made, some filling up with, it's more like a dam, I believe. Yeah, but look at the view, guys. This is another beautiful spot in Australia. We are at Nilakuchi Dam. I thought I'd have a quick stop here as well. It's nearby Mansfield, and it's just a bit of a scenery, check out the nature, and the weather is getting a bit cooler here. I think it's going to be a short stop. This is YEA, a small country town in Victoria, on the way back to Melbourne Airport. And then from there we are going to Brisbane.
Luna, you want beer?
You want some?
Yes.
Yes. Party people. Hey, she looks so happy.